Today in the kitchen we're gonna make do-it-yourself acne face wash from 2 ingredients only. So if you need to clean unexpected breakouts or acne and you don't have the products or the time for a facial, this do-it-your-face acne wash is for you. It's super easy and it works. It contains 2 ingredients, lemon and cinnamon. Lemon and cinnamon aren't just for your kitchen or cooking. No, keep some handy in your bathroom too, or wherever you create products. Although these two are more kind of popular for internal cleansing, they're also really good ingredients for cleaning the skin. So if the idea of rubbing lemon on your skin or cinnamon on your face seems weird, well, consider this. I mean, do you think that rubbing gasoline or benzoyl peroxide on your skin sounds natural? Or any other like weird name stuff? I assume not. So try these two, because lemon and cinnamon are effective as antibacterial and cleansing ingredients. But unlike prescription acne remedies, there's no side effects unless you are a rare person who is allergic to cinnamon or lemon. And so why not getting a nice wash at home from 2 safe and healthy ingredients that you can make. They are sorry. Again, most chemicals in adult acne products are very, very harmful and basically can create more acne. So when I suffered from adult acne, that was the time that I developed the acne cleanser, the acne face cleanser, and the acne face day and night cream, which tried, tested, and proven to work really fast and really good from my experience. So cinnamon helps control blood sugar level and is a natural antibiotic. It contains types of antioxidants, and these 2 antioxidants are particularly good to killing different type of acne causing bacteria that we don't want on the skin. And it's significantly promote collagen, and it means that the spice encourage the formation of protein in your skin. Sorry. And acne scars obviously do not make the skin look very healthy and youthful, but cinnamon also can help your skin generate the protein to heal acne scars. And now lemon. Lemon is a great antioxidant that fights free radicals, and free radicals can contribute to the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Lemon makes sense as ingredient in the homemade face wash for acne because, like cinnamon, it contains plant-based antioxidants that prevent your skin collagen from breaking down, and as well as a great antibacterial benefits. So what do we need? We need a tablespoon of squeezed lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze here about a tablespoon. And we need a tablespoon of cinnamon. So, we mix them together. So it's this brownish golden color. There you go. And you can apply with a cotton pad or with your fingers on the skin. Wash it with water. Oh, it smells so good. And wash it with water. The most important thing, these things are really good and effective, but to keep a skin that is clear from acne for a long time and we really treat the cause, so the most important thing is to have a professional facial that will clean your skin from deep inside and prevent future acne. But this one is nice, tested, and works. 2 ingredients only. Enjoy.